I want to say μεγάλο ευχαριστώ που ήρθατε όλοι σήμερα. You know what I'm saying? Κάναμε ένα... Ξέρεις, αυτή όλη αυτή τη φάση ήταν ένα όραμα, you know what I'm saying? Και το κάναμε reality, you know what I'm saying? Ένα μεγάλο ευχαριστώ σε όλα τα παιδιά εδώ, όλοι οι άλλοι, Esteban Stuff, my brother for life, you feel me? Let's SALO in the back, DJ O's, Alex Lugaras, Monte Cristo was good, baby. Good to see you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Αυτό, παιδιά, να ξέρετε, από την πρώτη μέρα εδώ στην Ελλάδα, όλοι λένε όχι αυτό δεν γίνεται, αυτό δεν γίνεται, είσαι τρελός, είσαι αυτό, you know what I'm saying? Αλλά με μια ένωση, να ενωθούμε όλοι εδώ μαζί, φτιάξουμε αυτό το πράγμα. Θέλω να πω ευχαριστώ, you made the dream come to life. Αυτό το καλοκαίρι να είναι το πρώτο σεζόν, and we can't really fucking get it, baby, let's go.
No matter what motherfucker say to y'all, you feel me? Everybody out here gonna tell you something ain't possible, you feel me? They all gonna say that ain't possible, you can't do that, this is not what it is, you feel me? Make sure y'all tell these motherfuckers to suck his dick, you feel me?
Shout out Village Cinemas and shit. They put us on, you feel me? We're gonna keep doing our thing. And we up, man. This is all the haters, you feel me? Let's get it.